Hey, hi folks. Today we're gonna talk about a very interesting tool. This tool is called Ideogram.ai. So it's essentially a graphic designer assistant for you. Basically, it helps you create different kinds of things, like for example, product images, posters for your ads, logos, T-shirt designs, you name it, most of the graphic works this can do for you with a very simple prompt and with utmost accuracy. That's most important aspect of this, right? So let me show you a few demos in terms of how you can probably pair up with an ideogram.ai and probably come up with some stunning designs. So if you go to their home screen, you could see that a lot of these images are already generated and publicly shared, which gives you a lot of inspiration in terms of how you should go about designing, right? And if you in fact go into any of these designs, right, you would get a lot of these prompts to play around with, right? Like, and get an idea of how to generate some really good images, like a professional graphic designer, right? So if you look at it here, you could see the prompt they have used in order to generate this image. An elaborated version of prompt is also here, and a lot of options in terms of customizing the whole images available on the right hand side. So now let's quickly generate one image, and let me show you the power of this whole tool, right, in your entire product journey. So go to the home screen. You see a prompting layer here. So here you could add a prompt. So I have basically copy pasted a prompt, created a prompt to generate me a very interesting poster for course that I'm trying to create. Right. So it's a sample course that I've designed in order for the purpose of doing this whole exercise. But let me just quickly show it to you and show you the power of how to generate this whole image, right? So I'm just copy pasting the prompt in terms of the content of the poster I need, and yeah, you can also see like different options here, right? Like what is the dimension of poster you want. Let's say if it's for an Instagram ad, you could just put that specification here. And yeah, so you put that and you could say, hey, how many images you want to kind of generate. So the free version has a default four images, which will give you an option to play around with, right? And then you have all these different features to play around with, right? Which you can just probably check out, right? So yeah, essentially it's very simple. You just put the prompt, give you specification, click on generate, and boom, you get the whole posters up and ready in like let's say in 2 minutes, right? So that's the beauty of this whole tool. Let me just show that to you, right? So it's generating and it's almost completed, and you could see like four stunning posters that has been created, right? So yeah, see. Took a break, now ready to lead, startup launchpad, reinvent rise, on the wait list today to get scholarship, right? Like amazing four posters which has been created for this course, dummy course that I just created in order to test this out, right? Basically for returning moms, how to like a course to start their career in startup, right? So that's a whole idea of the poster. You can see like amazing four posters being created, right? So I'll just show you the prompt again, so for you to read, right? So a vibrant lifestyle advertisement for a startup launchpad featuring a warm blood color gradient. You would see like all the details I've added. So if you ask me, hey, how did you come up with such a detailed poster prompt, what I did is basically use ChatGPT in order to give some ideas in terms of, hey, like this is what I wanted as an idea in the poster, this is the content I need, and asked it to create some prompt which is aligned to this thought process, right? I gave it few prompts and then it gave me some really good prompt like this back, right? So that's it. Like the whole thing is ready and good to go, right? I'll also show you some of the things, right? The power of this, right? In order to also create pretty good, like let's say you see, like you can create pretty good uh, logos if you have an idea through this whole tool, right? Like you can also create like product posters. Um, like see, right? Like if you have an idea to create a face screen, right? Like you can come here and just put this prompt and the concept poster is ready and you can test it out, right? So it's super easy now to create some graphic very easily without even spending your time, right? So like this has a free version and you can play around with it, and if you need more credits, that's the only thing that you need to buy. Otherwise it's enough for you to like generate enough images for playing around with things, right? So yeah, all these are examples of it. Posters you can create logos, you can create actually in fact like t-shirt designs. And in fact, like you can also create some nice stunning photos for your profile photo, right? So you can see some of the things that I generated, right? Like I just uploaded this image and had created some very stunning images, right? Like using that, right? So see, I just uploaded that image and generated some really cool images using that, right? And all these are prompted using ideogram, right? Like so, a vibrant light cell. So basically, this is a prompt, right? The professional photo with suit, make my beard more stylish and trim, and it's ready to go, right? So essentially, it's an amazing tool for you to replace your graphic assistant or add a graphic assistant to your team, right? And if you are a startup founder, you're running with very lean resources, you could in fact start doing using this on day one and get going and put your product out there, right? So I have in fact created like I was working on a browser and like these are a couple of screenshots that I created to test it. Like the text is not very clear, but you see like some of the stunning screenshots developed using it, right? So as a builder, it's super easy for you to do stuff using this. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this tool will really help you in your product builder journey. I'll be back with another video soon. So see you till then.